How React hooks change React development forever. Prior to React hooks, the only way to access the React state lifecycle was by creating a component, and you couldn't access the component state from outside of the component. With React hooks, now we can use non-component functions to manage the state. That means now we can separate the functionality that manages the state from the component that's used to render the UI. Let's say we had a React component called counter that increments a number by 1 every second and renders it in a div. Using React hooks, we're going to strip out the counting functionality from the counter component and put it into a new function that we're going to call useCounter. Now useCounter is going to maintain the state, it's going to increment the number by 1 every second, and it's going to return whatever the current value is. So instead of creating a counter component, any component that uses counter can now itself function as a counter. This is the power and interoperability of React hooks. Hit the like if you learned something.